Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Have you ever wondered how businesses predict their sales, profits, and expenses? The secret is financial forecasting, a simple but powerful tool that helps businesses plan for success. Forecasting means making an educated guess about the future using past data. It helps businesses prepare for what might happen and make smarter decisions. If your electricity bill is around P2000 each month, you can predict next month's bill will also be close to P2000. Revenue is the total money a business earns. For businesses, it's from sales. For governments, it's from taxes. To forecast properly, start with expenses. There are three types: fixed costs, rent, salaries; variable costs, packaging, materials; direct labor costs, sales staff, marketing. Double your advertising budget, triple legal or insurance costs. Count your own work as an expense. Next, forecast your sales income. There are two approaches: safe forecast, low prices, few channels; ambitious forecast, premium pricing, more marketing, sales team. Check if your numbers make sense using ratios. Gross margin = profit after direct costs. Operating profit margin = profit after all costs. Headcount per client = staff needed per customer. Now prepare growth plans. Choose a timeline like 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. Then list expenses and sales targets using industry data. Sales forecasting is simple. Ask, who are my customers? How often will they buy? How much will they spend? Customers X, average price, X purchases per year, = yearly sales. Coffee shop, 100 customers, X, P100, X 50 cups, = P500, 000 yearly sales. Let's try a revenue forecast. Sales, 200 customers, X, P500, X3 = P300, 000. Expenses, P10, 000 total. Profit = P90, 000, and that's it. You now know how to forecast expenses, sales, and profits. Remember, financial forecasting is just smart planning for your business success. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business lessons.
Do you want your business to succeed? The secret is simple: financial forecasting. Forecasting means predicting the future using past data. It helps you prepare and make smart decisions. Revenue is the money your business earns from sales or services. First, calculate your expenses: fixed, variable, and direct labor costs. Now, estimate your sales. Make both a safe forecast and an ambitious one. Use ratios to check if your numbers make sense: gross margin, profit margin, and headcount per client. Sales forecasting is easy. Just ask, who are my customers? How often will they buy? How much will they spend? Let's say you own a coffee shop with 100 customers. Each spends P100 50 times a year. That's P500, 000 in yearly sales. If your yearly sales are P300, 000, and your expenses total P210, 000, then your profit is P90, 000. Financial forecasting helps you plan better, grow smarter, and succeed faster. Start forecasting today.
Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. What is forecasting in business? A. Guessing without data. B. Predicting the future using past data. C. Recording daily sales. D. Listing monthly expenses. What is the formula for projected sales volume? A. Customers times total expenses divided by yearly purchases. B. Customers times average price times yearly purchases. C. Revenue, expenses. D. Average price divided by purchases times customers. Which statement best describes the difference between fixed costs and variable costs? A. Fixed costs change depending on sales, variable costs stay the same. B. Fixed costs are always higher than variable costs. C. Fixed costs remain constant, variable costs change with sales. D. Both fixed and variable costs never change. Why should you include your own work, like sales calls, as an expense? A. To reduce overall costs. B. To calculate profit faster. C. To know what you would need to pay someone else later. D. To avoid paying salaries. What does an ambitious forecast usually include? A. Only one new product each year. B. No sales team and fewer marketing channels. C. More products, more sales staff, and bigger growth plans. D. No changes in products or services. A bakery has 50 regular customers. Each spends 150 Cuban pesos per visit and comes 40 times a year. What is the projected yearly sales? A. 200,000 Cuban pesos. B. 250,000 Cuban pesos. C. 300,000 Cuban pesos. D. 350,000 Cuban pesos. If a business has projected sales of 400,000 Cuban pesos and total expenses of 250,000 Cuban pesos, what is the revenue forecast? A. 100,000 Cuban pesos. B. 150,000 Cuban pesos. C. 200,000 Cuban pesos. D. 250,000 Cuban pesos. Which forecast is riskier but offers higher potential growth? A. Safe, conservative, forecast. B. Ambitious, aggressive, forecast. C. Fixed cost forecast. D. Seasonal forecast. A business owner wants to reduce marketing costs to save money. Based on forecasting, what is the best advice? A. Agree, because marketing is always a waste. B. Disagree, because reducing marketing can lower future sales. C. Agree, because expenses should always be minimized. D. Disagree, because marketing is the only fixed cost. If you are asked to design a one-year financial forecast for a food stall, which of the following steps should you include? A. Ignore expenses and focus only on sales. B. Calculate projected sales, estimate expenses, and subtract expenses from sales. C. Only check competitor prices. D. Just guess the total income without data. Thank you and God bless you always. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.